Today's episode is Hoover Film Company kicks Easter Rabbit in the crotch and gets grounded.
Hey Easter Rabbit, we'll be getting presents and candies for Easter this month.
No, I'm not getting presents and candy. You are okay the naughty list this month.
What? Oh come on. Why not?
Because you got naughty list only for destroy the TV, getting into trouble at school, and many more. And that's why you are on the naughty list this month.
Well, guess what?
What? Oh no 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 no. Hoover Film Company, how dare you kicking in the crotch? That's it. I'm calling your parents. Get out of the place now.
What?
Hoover Film Company, how dare you kicks Easter Rabbit crotch? That's it, you are grounded for 50 months. Go upstairs to your room while I'm telling my dad about this.
No 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 no.
Later that night.
Hoover Film Company. How dare you kick Easter Rabbit in the crotch? You know that can get you naughty list this month big time. That's it. You are grounded for 50 months. Today's punishment, tonight there will 3 punishments. First punishment, kicking in the crotch.
Ouch. My crotch. Ow, 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 ow.
Second punishment, putting nappy on you.
Oh no, not nappies. No. Ouch. That hurts even more. It's throbbing me.
Too late. Now his nappy is on. Now they will going to coolant pee in your nappies instead of toilet, and I will destroy your underwear and destroy the toilet. Last punishment, closing all the internet accounts. Now I am going to get computer. I will delete all accounts of the internet.
No 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 no. Please don't close all my accounts.
6 minutes later.
No 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 no. You closed all of my accounts.
Shut up, Hoover Film Company. I'm just closing all of accounts, and that's what you get for kicking Easter Rabbit in the crotch. You are grounded for 50 months. Go to bed and sleep now, or else I will sending you to Mongolia.
What?
Epiloge.
Hoover Film Company, how dare you kicking me in the crotch? You are never allowed to do that. That's it. I'm kicking in the crotch back.
EW. Yeah. You kicked me in the crotch back. Yeah.
Since you deserve to kicking in the crotch, never kicking in crotch again, never.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe and please turn on to post notifications. This is Miguel Perez, signing off.